Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Bolt. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video, I would like to ask you that if you are new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's start the review. Before starting the video, I want to ask you that I am not their financial advisor. I am just telling you about their amazing project, Geeks World Multiverse of Metaverse. You can also read their white paper, manifesto and audit report from here. Next, we have some information about them. Blockchain Metaverse. What is Geeks World? Geek World is on a mission to bring the world together by creating a platform to unite and empower all type of virtual reality users, socialize, engage, and advance with other players, developers, traders, creators, gamers, and many more from all around the world using Geeks token. Enjoy and explore different world and opportunities all from the comfort of one place. There is something for everyone, no matter what interested you, giving our community the power to influence the future of technology. Future of Blockchain by Geeks World. In brilliant minds of the world, affectionately known as geeks, serve as the driving force propelling modern technological advancement. At Geeks World, our vision is to cultivate an environment where these intelligent and ingenious minds are not only acknowledged but also deeply valued and appreciated. Our mission is to unite and empower the young, brilliant mind of the world, providing them with a platform to shape the future of technology and ensuring that their invaluable contribution receive the recognition they truly deserve. Geeks World Currency. What is Geeks? Geeks serves as the intrinsic utility token within the expansive Geeks World ecosystem. As the native currency of the Geeks World Metaverse, the Geeks token plays a pivotal role in governing, regulating, incentivizing, and rewarding users to the Geeks World platform. Geeks Coin implements a 2% transaction tax and with 1% allocated for burn and 1% designated for team operations, ensuring sustainable growth and operational support within its ecosystem. This deflationary mechanism of burning token help reduce the token supply, contributing to increased liquidity and the self-sustainability of the decentralized Geeks World ecosystem. Our community, the Geeks Escort. Welcome to Geeks World, the ultimate home to the Geeks community, affectionately known as the Geeks Escort. The Geeks community stands as the cornerstone of blockchain technology and Web3, consisting of the genuine individual who drive and enable technological advancement. Regrettably, our community often operates in the shadows, lacking the recognition and appreciation it truly deserves. This is precisely why Geeks World has embarked on a mission to unite and empower the geeks from all corners of the world. The potential that lies within this gathering of brilliant minds is boundless and truly unimaginable. Next, we have the Geeks World ecosystem. Multiverse. Geeks World is a revolutionary VR metaverse nestled within a vast metacity, integrating interconnected metaverse for users to explore diverse worlds. A sprawling backdrop. Arcade. The Geeks Arcade is a cutting-edge VR index, a playground for blockchain and play-to-earn game. Gamers can indulge in captivating games and reap rewards under one virtual roof, redefining gaming with entertainment and economic empowerment. Seed Center. The Seed Center is the vital project launchpad at the heart of the Geeks ecosystem. It's tailored for blockchain-based projects seeking efficient capital raising, offering early-stage token sales to the Geeks community at discounted rate. Art Gallery. The Art Gallery shines as the NFT marketplace within the Geeks World ecosystem. It empowers individuals to mint, store, display, and trade NFTs, fostering a vibrant community where digital art finds its place in the blockchain-driven world. Currency Exchange. The Currency Exchange is a decentralized platform providing a confidential means for users to swap crypto assets within the Geeks World ecosystem. With a focus on anonymity and ease of use, it redefines crypto assets trading. Staking. Geeks World Staking is your gateway to earn Geeks token for contributing to the ecosystem validation and security. It enables members to generate a passive income stream while supporting the community. Next, we have the token distribution. The distribution of the Geeks token is designed to ensure a fair and equitable allocation to the token supply across various stakeholders, and participants within the Geeks World ecosystem. The distribution model is structured to support the long-term sustainability and growth of the ecosystem while also incentivizing and rewarding the active participation of the community and other key contributors. The distribution of the Geeks token is divided into the following categories: community and liquidity 78%, reserves and contingency 7%, founders and team 6%, staking and rewards 6%, research and development 3%. You can also check their token information from here, like their network, their token, their contract address, their decimals and text. Next we have their roadmap. The Geeks World ecosystem is designed to evolve and grow over time with a clear roadmap that outlines the key milestones and objectives that will shape the future of the platform. The roadmap is a living document that reflects the ongoing development and expansion of the ecosystem, providing a clear vision for the future and a roadmap for the community to follow. The roadmap is divided into the following key milestones. You can also read their full roadmap from here. Next we have their founders. You can also check their founders, their team, and you can also join their team from here. Now I'm telling you that how you can join their team. Just write your first name, write your last name, then write your email, phone number, country, and then click on apply. And you must attach your CV with it. Next we have their frequently asked question. You can also read their frequently asked question from here. Like, what is pool weight? In simple terms, pool weight is like a measure of how much influence or importance a particular group or tier has within a system. A higher pool weight means that group has more say or impact in certain decisions or benefits compared to groups with lower pool weights. Like this, you can also read the furthermore frequently asked question from here. Cryptocurrency investment carry a high risk of volatility. Be aware of the tax implications, as profit may be subject to capital gain or other taxes in your cryptocurrency. Regulation can vary, so ensure you understand the rule in your area, conduct thorough research, and invest only what you can afford to lose. You can also join their social platform like their YouTube channel, their Telegram, their Twitter account, and their Discord. You must join their Telegram community for latest update. This is an outstanding project. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye.